You know what, friends? You and I deserve a little bit of fun, a little bit of adventure, and hey, a little bit of music. So let's listen to this and watch for some fun stuff. And I'm taking my camera so you get a mix of video from either camera and this beautiful music. Pitter patter, Cootie. Let's get at her. Interrupting. Let's turn the music down. There we go. I hope you like those kayakers. I wanted to interrupt and say, you know, a long time ago at a native Aboriginal powwow, the chief had a good long talk with me, and he told me, especially as a photographer, don't always look down. Basically meaning look up. But he also told me, often the most traveled path is the wrong path. Take a different way on adventures that are the same direction, you know? I forget how he said it, but always take a different path to where you're going, and you'll see new things that your eyes are not trained to see. And it trains your eyes to look a lot deeper. So I'm doing this entire walk in reverse, not backwards, but just starting at the west end of the park and going to the east instead of how I always do it. And thanks to doing that, not only did I see the baby Osprey up in that nest, and I showed you the best I could, but I also got to see that family of kayakers and get a couple of good videos of them, making it a very fruitful day. So now, Let's turn that music back up. Pitter patter. Get at her. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day. It's Gord, your hurtin' hippie. I really hope you enjoyed that. I really had a good day down at the park yesterday. The kayakers, the speedboat on the small part of the river, the Osprey fishing in the river, and I caught a little bit of it, and those beautiful eagles. I've seen them a couple of times, and that was the first time I got a little bit of photography on them. But I'm going to be looking for them. I hope you enjoyed that. I really hope you enjoyed it. And this has been long enough. You know, I'm not going to touch on the troubles except to say thank you. I get emotional. Thank you, all of you. This has been a really, really tough week, especially doing it all with Pasha away. And yet I'm getting through it. And it's because of all of you. I have a lot of work ahead of me, and I'm hoping it won't interrupt the videos. I want to keep them coming. Please, in the comments, if there's something you want to ask me, just ask me. Or go to the Q&A. I've got to do the answers. Go to the Q&A. I'll put it up right here. I'll put it up right here, and let's get that Q&A going. Or I think it's there. Oh, I get so confused in the morning. And ask more. Ask more, because I'm going to do the answers soon and we're running out of time. I also don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to put those cards up, because they tell me that end screens and cards like, hey, click on my Patreon account or click on this video here, will go away too. Doesn't matter. I can get by on that. I've got some talent in Premiere Pro, so let's see what happens. I said I wouldn't touch on that, but it's housekeeping, hey? So a thank you to everybody. Much love to all of you. I'm doing okay. Depression's on the edge, but it always is with those of us who suffer depression, and I need to just keep focusing on the good. So, with that said, little known fact. I promised it would be back. It's back. And I think I got a good one here. I got two to read to you. Charlie Chaplin once won third prize in the Charlie Chaplin lookalike contest. Not bad, eh? Third place. Good for you. Chewing gum while peeling onions will stop you from crying. And I didn't know that. I don't like gum. I think it's a waste of time. But if it stops me from crying, did you know that also peeling under running water will also stop you from crying? And then you don't have to put that crappy gum stuff in you. My friends, I hope you have a wonderful day. And my friends, I hope you have a wonderful day. If you see someone without a smile, remember, you have plenty. Give them one of yours, it'll pop right back. Give them one of yours. You have plenty, and it's a beautiful smile. I love it. Peace and cheers. Love and harmony.